Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our podcast channel, Naf and Nas Talk. So today, before we start, let's go introduce ourselves, right?
Yes. Yes.
So my name is Nazim Atif bin Muhammad Nazri. My number matric is 24366023. So how about yours?
And I'm Nafan Darwish bin Muhammad Khaira. 24366029. 28. Sorry.
Okay, so before we go to the topic, let's discuss about how was your last week. As we know that last week is Malaysia Days, right?
Yeah.
Our government give us 2 days.
2 days. Yes.
Yeah, 2 days for 2 days for holidays, right?
Yes.
So how was your holidays?
So on my holiday, I actually went to Terengganu.
Wow,
You know
Terengganu?
Yes.
Where are you? What are you doing in Terengganu?
Actually, on my time on Terengganu, I actually went to Pulau Redang. You know Pulau Redang?
Wow, Pulau Redang. Yeah, I think I've been there when I'm 11 years old. If I'm not mistaken, 8 years ago, right?
Yes.
8 years ago, right?
Yes.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Pulau Redang have a blue sea, right?
Yes. Very beautiful beaches. You can see through the water.
Yeah,
A lot
I remember.
of marine life lah. Yes.
There's a lot of turtles, right?
Yes. There's a lot of turtle, fishes, and everything that marine life.
So what transportation do you use to go there?
I go there. I went there by a car actually. It was very stressful experience. You know, the jam had to stop a lot. Yeah.
So exactly, that's the topic what I want to talk about today.
Yes.
The best method of transportation for traveling and holidays.
Yeah.
So let's go into for it. So let me start first.
Yes.
Personally, I think the best method of transportation is train. Why?
Really?
First of all, because as we know that there's a lot of developed country, a lot of people using a train to go their work, no matter work, holidays or traveling. They're always using a train. You know why? You want to know why?
Yeah, sure. Why?
Because as we know that train has a lot as a cheap tickets.
Yeah, I can
Which is
see.
everyone can afford it. Whenever you are middle class, high class, or lower class,
Yes.
everyone can use it because the ticket is much more affordable. And then my second point is because train also has a comfort and space, comfortable space. You know what? Because when the moment sometimes if our journey take a lot of time, like 8 hours, maybe 1 day. So our leg just sit there and then we're gonna gain our stress.
Yeah.
But in the train, you just can walk along. So I think it's really much more usable for everyone.
Yes.
Everyone gonna be comfortable lah.
Yeah.
And then my third point is because as we know that train using a systematic technology.
That's a new info for me. That's a new info for me.
Yeah, of course. As you know that everyone who traveling, of course, they want to be always on time, be punctual, right?
Yes.
So train is much the transportation they should use
Yes.
because they always be punctual, on time, and then everything. And also, if you know that train also is eco-friendly. It's eco-friendly. For example, like because train using electric, which is there's no use no oil or fuel, so there's no pollution. So
I see.
not gonna cannot gonna produce the pollution. So that's really a great thing about our environment.
Yeah, yeah.
And then another thing is the reason because the developed country always using a train because the safety is 100% safety.
Okay, I see, I see.
For example, like if you know, I actually have read one article
Oh.
in I can take it is a Sina or what I forgot about it.
Uh-huh.
The article said that train has lower accident in this world.
Ah, I see.
In the statistic so it's really safe for everyone. And also I think we know that train is using a trail, right? Not like
Yes.
you go, for example, like a car, they use a road.
Yes.
But train they using a trail. So of course, if you use the trail, there's no traffic jams
Yeah, yeah.
or no, just follow the system that already programmed by people.
Yes.
So so people not gonna stress out about their
Yeah.
journey because
People-
of
people can
jam.
relax on the train.
Yeah.
I see.
So and if you have a little bit of money, maybe you can use that another package which is half bed. So when the night coming, you just can go sleep in the bed.
Ah, that is very, very convenient.
Yeah.
Oh,
So yeah, that's all about it.
oh, I see, I see. So after I hear all of your opinion,
Hmm.
I can agree to all of them, but I can't rest easy. But because I too think after you saying all of your advantages, I think train is not that it's not that good because the first thing I want to talk is they have a limited network. As you know,
Oh
not,
yeah.
yeah. Not all train have in some small town or rural place. You see,
Hmm.
most of the train station is at the big city. You know,
Yes, yes.
getting there is probably a problem already, and probably gonna take you probably 1 hour if you like 1 hour away from the station, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You remember last week we go to the KL, right?
Yes, yes, I
From
remember.
our university, which is
Yeah,
we want to go to, we use a train, MRT,
yes,
which is it's take 25 minutes, right?
yes.
So we
25
need
minutes.
to order another transportation, which is Grab.
Yes.
So which is maybe increase our cost,
Yeah.
So yeah.
And secondly, you see, when you go there, they have a schedule of train coming into your the upper station.
Hmm.
You need to be on time there. You cannot be late. Even
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you like late, like 1 minute, they already go, and you just need to wait for a long time.
Hmm.
Long time, but I mean like maybe 1 hour, because it's train. It's not a car or something that you can predict. Yeah, you can predict, but still, it's going to take a long time.
Yes.
Thirdly, that I want to say that is this: the getting to the station is very difficult. Like I say, you need to take another transportation just to go to the train station. It's gonna, like you say, it's gonna cost us many money,
Yes.
and it's not gonna get easy from there. Like I you say, taking another transportation, they're gonna face a traffic. Like
Yes, yes. So which is sometimes it's gonna not just cost, but our time also. It's gonna cost our time, right?
yes,
We're gonna
yes,
increase our time, which is maybe we have a urgent, you know.
yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So, and lastly, I want to say about the crowded
Mm.
station. You see,
Yeah. I remember it last time
yeah,
when we, you know, to go back from the KL to the Kajang, right?
yeah.
You know, when the peak moment, peak hours moment.
Yeah, we have to face a lot of people. Like they are going to
Yeah,
put you in the MRT, and
yeah. There's a lot of smell, and then
oh,
also Yeah, and also you know we need to stand like 42 minutes.
Yes, yes.
So
Very, very uncomfortable in there.
yeah, and I think if I'm not mistaken, that your leg got injured, right?
Yes,
Because you
I
stand very
it's
a
very,
lot.
very long time. I
Yes.
got injured in my left feet. It was very, very terrible experience. See, crowding, especially at peak hour, is very, very stressful. You have to just go with it, or else you don't have any transportation.
Mm.
Especially for those workers
Yes.
there. I think for I think that's all.
Oh, okay. Mm.
So enough with train. I'm going to say about my most not my most. I'm going to say about my favorite transportation. Okay? One of my
Mm.
favorite lah. It is an airplane. You see?
Oh, airplane. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know it.
I think everyone knows that airplane is super fast.
Yeah, of
Right?
course.
It can like get you to one location to another destination in just like maybe the the minimum hour is like 1 hour. You see,
Yes.
like uh from Selangor
Yeah,
to
yeah.
Kelantan.
I been like you said in KLIA to Kelantan, right?
Yes, yes,
Like it should be if you using another transportation, for example like car,
yes.
it's take like
6 hours.
yeah 6 hour maybe if holidays weekdays you're gonna take 14 hours, right?
Yes.
So but if you're using just airplane just like 30 minutes, you know. So yeah,
It's very, very convenient. You see,
yeah, really convenient.
you just use airplane and then you already settle your problem of transportation. You see, and another thing that is you see, train is
Mm.
only connected to another state or even somewhere in your country, right? But
Yes.
airplane, you see, it connects
Oh.
to global. You see,
Yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
whole world, whole world. You can go everywhere, even to remote island or places
Mm.
that where infrastructure is not good.
Mm. Oh, okay.
And uh, thirdly is that airplane doesn't affect it with traffic jam. You see,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
people understand because uh, airplane fly. They doesn't use the road. If you see airplane using the road, you probably already high.
Oh,
And next is airplane is also good for emergency time. You see, when you
yeah.
have a meeting in another country or
Mm.
even another state, you just use airplane because it's very, very fast. It
Mm.
only take you like 1 hour, but you still need to get there early lah. Even
Yes,
though
yes.
there is delay, but it's not like common thing happen. And another thing that is airplane, it doesn't affected by our geographical land. You see,
Yeah, yeah.
Malaysia have a lot of you see mountain,
Yes, sir.
but airplane they just can fly over it like city, be it water, lake or everything. They doesn't affect it. They just like I don't see you, bye. You
Because
know?
they use air, right? In the air, so
Yes, yes,
so really smooth. The flow is really smooth.
yes. That make them very super fast. And lastly, I want to say about the safety. The staff is very, very trained, and not to mention those pilot. They are professional, and you don't have to worry about your safety. Even if an accident happen, you see, they already trained and they're gonna tell you what to do in that situation. You don't have to be panicked. Okay, I think I think you can agree with all my opinion, right?
Yes. There's a point that I agree, and then there's a point also I disagree. So when you said the airplane uh which is easy, yeah, I agree with you. The airplane which is has go have travel around the world is easy.
Yeah,
So around the world that trend cannot be achieved.
yeah.
But we look at the cost. Yeah, you know,
Oh,
when we say a cost, it's gonna be oh my god, especially we are student, right?
Yes.
So the cost is, I think, it's really unbelievable lah. Because the ticket is much more,
double the.
yeah,
The
more
price.
double than another transportation.
Yeah.
Which is the most higher price.
I see.
And then not just that's not just the cost in the money, but also environment issues. Because airplane also using a carbon, also have reduce carbon. So it's bad for our environment lah.
I see. I see. Yeah, I forgot about that.
So it's gonna produce the air pollution. So it's actually not good lah.
I see.
And also at the moment when we book in the last minute or in the peak hours, for example when the next week is a holidays, or maybe tomorrow is the holidays, so the price of tickets is gonna be more higher up.
Yeah. It's very very unfortunate.
Yes. And then my second point is sometimes, you know, maybe in Malaysia we doesn't feel it the weather.
Oh
So there's no like a storm, not like volcanic edge. So we not gonna feel it. But when you want to travel to another country, such as like us, always have a disaster, for example like Japan,
Oh, yeah.
you know, there's always an earthquake every day.
Yeah.
Or Indonesia, they have a volcanic edge.
Yes, active volcanic.
So it's gonna a little bit of riskful lah.
Yeah.
Little bit risk.
I agree.
So sometimes maybe, so on not just that, maybe the delays is gonna be a delay,
Yeah.
which is maybe we need to wait 1 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe 1 week. So maybe the flight gonna got cancelled.
Yeah.
So it's gonna, you know, utility doesn't uncomfortable for us.
Yeah.
And then also because I also have a experience, like I already like 5 times using airplane, which is sometimes, you know, when you bring a lot of luggage, which is more over than 100 kilogram, so you just waste it. For example, maybe you from the, you know, holiday in the France,
Yeah.
and then you want to take like a souvenir kitchen.
Yeah.
You bring a lot to you buy a lot, and then you want to bring to give your family, your friend, your cousin, but then the luggage is more than 100 kilograms. So it's really, you know,
very very convenient. You just need.
really inconvenient lah. So that we, you know, we can bring, so we just waste it, we just throw that. So yeah.
Throw that away. I see. It's very unfortunate.
And then so sometimes airplane has a problem. Maybe the aircon not work. So when the aircon not work, the pilot gonna land another airport. So we need to wait more 8 hours.
Yeah,
So
the maintenance cannot be avoided. It's very very hard for those who get.
Yeah, and then last thing for my opinion is that, you know, I also have experience when we want to, you know, go to the holiday, and then we want to sit together in the airplane.
Oh yeah.
But then sometimes, you know,
You got a different ticket.
yeah, go to different ticket. So we got another seat and seat. Sometimes maybe we sit in the our side, our beside is stranger,
Yeah, stranger.
which is it's a little bit uncomfortable lah. Yeah.
There's gonna be like a kid that's gonna scream in front of you. It's very very inconvenient. But yeah, what is the chance you're gonna get a stranger like that, right? I see. I agree. So, what do you think then?
So actually just all from that my knowledge about airplane.
I see.
So do you agree?
I can agree with all of those disadvantages. I know airplane have a lot of flaws too. It's not like it's perfect. It's human made, so it's a downside of it.
I think I have another suggestion for transportation. Why not we using Grab or e-hailing service?
I see. I never thought of it.
Yeah. First of all, because as we know that Grab is easy to order. For example, no matter whether we are working in the office or in the school, or when we travel another country, so we just can call the just can order from the apps. So everywhere, no matter what you're doing, so you can just order.
I see, I see.
And then also, as we know that if you want to, want to order like airplane, we need to have a on time, and then sometimes we order and then we need to why to say is you need to go the ticket, you
Yes,
need to
yeah.
go there. So but Grab, you just go order and then you just
You just
and then
get it.
the Grab just gonna coming for us.
Ah.
But if you go train, you need to go the station train first and then order the ticket.
I
Yeah.
see, I see, I see.
Also, and then the what is the cost. This one said,
Ah.
sekali my opinion is cost. The cost, for example, like if you know that Grabs have for standard have a 4 people can enter
Yeah,
using it, or 5 people. So we just can share our money.
Are we all friends?
Yeah, especially students. So it's really convenient for us,
Ah, I see.
for student, because we can share cost together. So we gonna reduce our cost And then another thing is you know, Grab also right now, because of the technology today, Grab also have a cashless, which is easy. We not so we, not to bring a lot of money to our pocket. We just
Yeah,
can scan QR code.
I see, I see. Yeah, so
Yeah.
when we get a Grab and then we got to our destiny, you just have to get off. You don't have to worry about paying.
Yes.
Yeah, just you're gonna transfer from your bank.
Yeah.
I see. It's very, very useful.
And then another thing is we don't need to think about the parking That's the most important
Yeah, yeah, I
because
agree.
sometimes when we use our own transportation, we need you know
To think about where's to park. Yeah.
yeah, but this is just the only who thing is the driver's one. So we just chill in the back
Yeah,
and
just
get
relax.
sleep. Yeah,
They are going to be stressed out.
yeah. And then we no need to worry about the safety features because as you know, when you Grab, there's a maps. So when the drivers not follow the maps, we just the Grab gonna give the option.
Yes.
So if there's a problem, you can call the police, or maybe you just can talk to your drivers. Maybe your drivers want to the easy one road,
Yeah,
to
shortcut.
the shortcut road. Yeah. And then another thing is maybe sometimes you may be stressed. You from the working, you already tired from traveling.
Yeah.
You already tired from going to the place So you just can order the Grab. So Grab just because we can just go sleep in the back. Yeah.
I see.
And then the lastly is, let's say sometimes when you use train go, but sometimes train is which is far away from our home, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
station of train is far away, so we just can go order the Grab, call out the Grab. Yeah.
I see,
So
I see, I see.
what about you? Of my opinion. So what are you think about my opinion?
So after I hear all of your opinion, I think I can
Mm.
agree with all of them. There are most of them are valid, okay, you see. But there's also the downside, right? You see, it's not like it's perfect, like I say.
Yeah, of course. Every our discussion always have a disadvantage, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So first thing, let's say you say about cars, right?
Hmm.
Even if you got like 4 guys, like four men of your friends,
Yes.
you still have to face still have to face the pricing surging, like you see.
Yeah, yeah.
For example, that is when peak hours. See?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when last week we from the MRT to
Yeah, we have to wait
you know
for
when the peak moment, the peak hours.
yeah the
Yeah,
price.
the price gonna higher and higher. It
Yeah,
should be like 35 ringgit, right? For MRT
yeah.
Kajang for our quiz. But it's a 46, not 46, 60. So
Yeah,
it's really
even
crazy.
higher. There's also 100. We can't even afford it. And not only peak hours, raining.
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
you imagine if there's peak hours, and then there's raining, then the surrounding area have an event. Your price gonna go high up and probably over the skies. You see,
Yeah.
and not to mention it's also on peak hour juga, peak hour too. Uh, you see when a lot of people using Grab,
Hmm.
there's there is no unlimited driver. You see, driver is also human. They're also doing their job, and there's going to be a limited amount of driver. You see, when other people get, it's not like one at a time. It's like everybody
Yes.
using it at the same time, so it's going to
Yeah.
have a problem. Maybe you're going to wait for a long time. Probably
Yeah.
take a
Sometimes the app system is gonna work.
yeah
It's gonna
yeah
maybe lagging.
yeah.
Yeah, I was experience it
I see.
where because I was using Grab, want to back to home from quiz to home.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes the apps maybe have you ever can using your online transaction,
Oh
online
yeah.
online payment. So easily because that time I don't have cash money.
Oh.
I just only have online cash.
Yes.
So it's really hard. So yeah.
I see. That is unfortunate for you. Very bad experience.
Hmm.
Okay, then we continue. Secondly, that is Grab or e-hailing. Very dependent on traffic. You see,
Yeah, I see.
they still can stuck on traffic. They still, even if you can relax, um, suddenly there's jam, and then you too can get stressed because the driver doesn't know where to go, the shortcut, right? And then
Yes.
you just have to face, and then you get to your destination very late, not the prediction of your time, right? And another thing that is, you see, driver is not a robot. You see, they are not machine. They are human, and
Yeah.
human have a lot of varieties, right? Like one very clean their car.
Yeah, yes.
Another one probably eating a lot in their car. It make you very uncomfortable. You
Yeah.
have met one?
Yeah, when there's sometimes sometimes maybe I don't know what is the driver's problem. Maybe he got stressed because his private life.
I see.
Maybe he maybe he has I don't know what his
Problem.
problem. But when the moment I enter the car, I just like let 1 minute, and then he just
Scream at you.
yeah, he just came like, why are you late, man? I have no. I just
See.
and what? And then I just okay, fine, it's okay. And then yeah.
And then the rest of the ride just silence.
Yeah, I just tell him because I also don't want to make another problem to him.
I see.
Yeah, but actually I saw maybe we don't know what his problems. He's maybe he have his private life problem.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, I see. And like I said, if you even late 1 minute, they can get angry, like you say.
Yeah.
No, if like they don't have the in the mood, probably they're going to cancel. You see, that's
Yeah.
the worst thing you can have in your experience of
Or
using Grab.
maybe we don't I not explain it yet, but maybe sometimes maybe he just draw out our
Oh
in the road.
yeah, I see.
No way in the no way.
That's
So.
possible. Like they don't have like the patience to face the traffic. Like
Yes.
get out of here. That's the worst you can face lah for
Yes.
experience. Another thing that is, it's not always cheaper because you see, like I said, peak hours pricing going up. It's probably going to take a lot of your money, and it's not convenient. So
Yes.
I think you can agree, right, with my opinion.
Yeah, I really give you your opinion.
So like I said, everything have its own other downside. So I'm going to say about the most common thing probably what people will do, that is by using your own car. You see, I think everyone can agree that driving your own car have it have been very enjoyable because you have a freedom in your car. You see, you can control your schedule. You can leave whenever you want. You can stop wherever you are, and it's probably the best of all the best of all transportation. You see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I in the moment, you know, you see the beautiful thing when the journey in the road.
Yeah, yeah. You can stop there. You can
Take a picture. You
yes,
know.
yes. You can take a picture.
Yeah, yeah.
It's very very convenient. You see,
Hmm.
and not to mention there is your own privacy. You see, whatever you do in car, only you know. And even if like in your Grab, you have to control yourself. Even if you want to eat, you probably need to ask the Grab, right?
Yes, yes.
But in the car, your own car, you can eat
Yeah, you can.
yourself, play your own music. Of course, the Grab. Even if in the Grab, maybe some drivers can play your music, but
Hmm.
in your car, every single music on your
And
album,
it's more comfortable lah because it's our
yes,
cars.
yes. So another thing, like you say, the cost sharing among friends.
Yes.
Other than the Grab sharing cost, you can also bring your friend. Maybe going to a holiday with them.
Hmm.
They can they can share the cost of gas.
Yeah. Do you remember? Last 3 days we going for our mentoring
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
activity in outside.
yeah, yeah,
In
yeah. I, see,
outside.
I remember, I remember. Where
We share the money.
yeah
Yeah.
for the gas. I see. It's
Yeah.
very very convenient. It's very very the best experience I have in my life.
Hmm.
So it's a convenience, like I said.
Yes.
Even if you feel so, still you can share the money. Yeah. And another thing that is, like you say, you see anything beautiful beside the road, you can go there and stop and take a picture there.
Yeah.
Maybe selfie with your family, selfie with your friend or your girlfriend, whatever you want to do. And last but not least, it's the control over your luggage. You
Hmm.
see, airplane, I don't know, train or Grab have limit, but I know airplane have. But when you're using your own car, you
Hmm.
can bring whatever you want.
Okay.
Be it your mother want to bring your whole kitchen, yeah, just put it in your
Yeah, yeah,
car.
yeah. Especially when Hari Raya, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Our
Yeah.
mother just going to put everything for even goes to like quality, just put a double, just
Yeah.
put it in your car and then go.
Even our day is it's
Oh,
become crazy.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You stress in the back, your mother just sleep in the
Yes.
front seat. I think that is most of the good the advantages of my opinion. But yeah, it's very, very cool, right? For
Yes.
having your own car. Can you agree?
Yeah, I agree, but also there's always a disadvantage.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So what I want to say is when you say it's much more comfortable because we can just use our own car,
Yeah.
but it's become uncomfortable when there's a jam.
Ah,
There's a
yeah,
traffic
yeah.
jam.
The common problem for
Yeah,
cars. I see.
there's always because of maybe because of accident or maybe
Ah,
sometimes the unpredictable days.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I
So
see.
maybe there's a weather issue because of rain or
Yeah,
storm.
yeah, yeah.
So it's really
Stressful.
stressful,
I
yeah.
see, I see.
And also but not least and also cost.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Like I say,
You know,
sharing.
to keep maintenance,
Ah, yeah, yeah. I
the
forgot
cost.
about car maintenance.
Yeah, yeah. So the cost, for example, like when the journey is take a lot of time, take a long journey. For example, like 3 days, maybe 1 day or 8 hours. So we
Mm,
need to every continent,
yeah, every state.
every state we need to pay the toll.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So yeah.
It's very, very.
So even though we can share our money to this cost,
Yeah.
but still when the journey take a long journey, still our cost gonna little bit increase and
Yeah,
increase.
increase, 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 and then you can afford it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
And also, it's a normal thing that because car produce the carbon dioxide. So because cars are using of oil, right? Oil.
Yes, yeah, oil.
So it's gonna make our environment air pollution.
I see.
So it's not good
I see.
But yeah, I know. Right now there's a technology which is using electric cars. But still, I think right now still there's a lot thing in Malaysia.
Yeah. Why you mean electric? I think not
Yeah.
most people use it because we can't afford
Yes.
it, and charging the car is another problem we don't want to say in this podcast. I see.
Yeah, and then also when you use like say airplane, train, we can in the speed, in the high speed. But in the car, there's a rule which is we
The speed limit.
yeah, there's a speed limit. So sometimes maybe if we have a urgent, like we want to take our sick brother to go hospital,
Yeah. You have to face a lot of things.
or maybe because maybe we late to back to how our hari raya.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think just that.
So after all of our talk, we talk. There's an advantage and disadvantage. Everything is not perfect at all.
Yes.
But what is the best then? If we just going to fight our thought, right? What is the best method then?
yeah. So actually, there's no everything is not perfect. So I think why not we just recommend it?
I see.
Yeah. So what I recommend first is you have a long distance or you want to go another country to country. So I suggest we using a airplane.
I see.
So because for example in a country we need to because it's much more convenient
Convenient.
And then another tip is why not, for example, like if you want the ticket more affordable, but you want to go long journey
Yeah.
and you want to go more be punctual on time,
Yeah.
why not we using train?
I agree.
Yeah.
Agree.
And then the third tips is we want to go holiday, especially to traveling with our families. We want to have a private life. With our family, private chat with our families. Why not we use our own car?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more convenient
Convenient. Yeah. Very.
because we can talk to with our family just
We our own
freely.
private life there. Yeah, I see.
Also, when we go or if we go to travel and in another country or maybe in Malaysia, we want to go place by place. Sure, we just go use Grab.
Yes. Yeah. Short distance, you can use Grab.
Yeah.
It's very
It's really
convenient.
for tourists or we want to go into another traveling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see. I can agree with all the recommendation. I see.
So that's all from us.
Yes. I hope this
Uh,
this talk can help you in your life, and yeah, may the best method you use for your travel.
so I hope also this our talk our discussion of the best method of transportation gonna help you guys to pick which the best one transportation when you want to go holiday or traveling.
Yeah.
So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Nafan. This is Nazem.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.